The world is spinning faster than ever. We're all running, trying to keep up. An endless flood of emails, notifications, and deadlines. We're constantly connected, yet somehow we feel more disconnected from what truly matters. Too many tasks teo maniap noise. But what if there was a way to slow it all down? A quiet revolution is happening. And it's giving us back the one thing we can never make more of: time. For too long, the narrative around artificial intelligence has been about giant tech companies and complex code. But that story is changing. Today, AI is stepping out of the server room and onto the job site, into the classroom, and into the hands you like you. It's for the construction manager juggling blueprints and budgets, the nurse drowning in paperwork, the teacher desperate for more time to actually teach, and the freelancer trying to do it all. The promise of technology was to make our lives easier, but somewhere along the way, we got lost. We're all paying a hidden tax on our work. It's the time spent organizing, planning, and managing tasks, which often takes longer than the work itself. Think about it: creating spreadsheets, manually entering data, answering the same emails over and over, trying to coordinate schedules. It's a digital maze of busy work that drains our energy and steals our focus. This isn't productivity. It's digital clutter. We're so busy managing the work about the work that we barely have time for the work that matters, the work we're passionate about. But now, the tide is turning. Imagine an intelligent assistant that understands your workflow. It doesn't just store your information, it acts on it. This is the new era of AI. It's seamlessly integrating into our daily routines, taking on the boring, repetitive, and time-consuming tasks and doing them automatically. It's generating reports from raw data in seconds, drafting emails, planning complex project timelines, and organizing your entire digital life so you don't have to. This isn't about replacing human skill. It's about amplifying it, freeing our minds to focus on creativity, strategy, and connection. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now across every industry. Watch a contractor take a single photo of a house, and instantly AI generates a detailed project plan, complete with materials and a budget. See a teacher type in a topic, and in moments have a full, engaging lesson plan ready for their students. Picture a nurse finishing a patient visit, and all the required forms are automatically filled out, freeing them to provide better care. A real estate investor gets instant, deep analysis on a potential property, empowering them to make smarter decisions. A handyman sends a professional, accurate quote just minutes after leaving a job site. This is AI at its best: practical, powerful, and built for the real world. Now, take a deep breath. Imagine getting hours of your life back every single week. What would you do with that time? Would you be home for dinner every night? Pick up that hobby you've been putting off? Spend a quiet afternoon reading a book? Or just be present with the people you love? This is the true impact of AI. It's not just about changing how we work. It's about transforming how we live. It's about reclaiming our time, our energy, and our lives from the clutches of busy work. If you're still manually organizing your workflow, you're not just working harder. You're falling behind. The tools to automate the mundane and elevate your work are here, and they are more accessible than ever. Don't wait for the future to happen to you. The time to start is now. Take the first step, explore the possibilities, and see how AI, workflow automation can reshape your day. AI won't take your job, but someone using AI will. This is your moment. Take your time back.